Hello, dear students. In today's lecture, we will discuss about our exercise of components of food. The first one, which is A, we have to tick the correct option particularly. Okay, 6 questions are given in this particularly, numbering 1 to 6. So first question, which one is a source of fat out of these 4 given to you? So you will take the option A, that is soya bean oil. Now second question, the protein for protein test we add blank solution along with the caustic soda solution. So we know that already that we will use what? A again, copper sulfate for the fat test. Now the third one, which of the following food items show a positive starch test? So out of these starch tests, you know that should contain carbohydrate particularly. So the rice one we will give here C as the option, which will show positive starch test. Now the fourth one, obesity is due to excess intake of what? Fat, because fat gets stored. So the option of to fourth will be answer will be B, that is your fat. Okay. Now the fifth, spongy and bleeding gums are symptoms of what? Again the option B, scurvy. Okay. So these are the answer to your first A section. Now let's come to B particularly, in which you have to fill in the blanks. 5 blanks are given, numbering 1 to 5. Let's start from the first one. Blank and fats provide us energy. So the first will becomes you carbohydrates. So carbohydrates and fats will provide us energy. Second, carrot is a rich source of vitamin which? That is your vitamin A. Now third one, blank is caused due to efficiency of vitamin B1. B1 led to the deficiency of which, dear? Berry. Now comes to fourth. The diet contains all components of food in the required proportion is called a balanced diet. Now the last one, fifth one, to the B section. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease known as rickets. So vitamin D deficiency lead to rickets particularly. So these are the options or answer to your B section. Now let's come to C section, in which you have to match the following, numbering from 1 to 5, and to the column B, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So the column A and column B. So the first one, which is fluorine. Fluorine deficiency, you know very well, will cause what? Dental caries. So you will match it with the D option, that is your dental caries. Okay, and you draw the line particularly. Now the second one, iron. So iron will lead to the anemia particularly. Yes. So the just below it, anemia. E is the option which you will add to the second. Now third is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. You already studied in the blanks that B1 leads to the deficiency of berry. That is your A option. So berry. You will match to third one to A. Now fourth, that is given protein deficiency. So protein deficiency led to dear Kwashiorkor. That is your C option. Kwashiorkor. Now last one, the fifth one, vitamin D. You very well know, in the blanks also you studied, is the rickets will caused. So vitamin B will match to the option fifth. So these are the answer to your C section particularly dear.